What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. No, this isn't a silent film. I just want to show you guys a little bit of the preparation what I got going on back here. Today I got Gabby. Gabby, where you at? Hey, Gabby. Gabby. I got Gabby with me. Oh, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cooking. Let me get over here. Oh, drop my spoon. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be cooking some elk meat. I haven't had, what is that? Gabby found something. Let me see what this is. Uh-oh. We got coon poo. There is a coon living in the tree. Somewhere up there. We might have to set a trap. We may have to set a trap for that coon. That'll be for another video. But what I'm doing, and what I got going on right here is some elk meat. My good buddy Ben from Daddy's Life actually sent me some elk meat. He killed a monster elk. I'm not exactly sure what state. Let me fix that. What state he killed it in? But I will put a link to his video where he took this out. He stalked this big elk. He stalked it and took it out with his bow and arrow. So if you guys are into something like that, you want to see it, I'm telling you, it's a big elk. I think he said it was his first elk ever, and he took the time to send me some elk meat from the backstrap. If you guys don't know, backstraps off the back is some of the best meat you can get off a deer, elk, anything. It's going to be awesome. I've never personally ate elk steak. The only thing I've ever had is elk jerky, and it was really good. But anyways, I'll put a video up to Ben's right there. I'll put a video right there of the iCard. If you guys want to check out Ben's stock and kill with the elk, I'm stumbling over my words today. If you want to check out Ben and his hunt for elk, check out that video above. Ben's like at 990 subscribers. If that's something you guys are into, is elk hunting and stuff like that, that's what he does on his channel. Go subscribe to him. Tell him Dutch sent you. He's a really nice guy. I think you guys will like him. But he sent me some elk meat, so I'm going to cook it for you guys and for me and Gabby on camera. I got a new little camping stove set I bought from Amazon. Now, no one sent me this. I bought this little stove set. And I actually lost the directions, but I think I got it figured out. We'll see. We'll see how that works. I just kind of put together how I thought it would go together. But I'm going to cook this elk backstrap in my little pan too. I got a little mess kit, and I'm going to fry it up in this pan, and me and Gabby are going to try it for you guys. Ben, thanks a lot for sending me the elk meat. I hope it turns out good. All right, guys, hope you guys enjoy this video. Hey, if you're not subscribed to me, please subscribe. Right down there, subscribe button. Click that subscribe button. And if you like the video, don't forget to smash that like button. Appreciate you guys watching. I got the fire going with the cotton ball. Them Vaseline cotton balls work awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get a pretty good fire going right here. Then I'm just going to set the stove on top of it, and we'll see how it goes. I never used this stove before. It's the first time. Been in the refrigerator for several days. I'm just now getting a chance to come out here and cook it. It smells awesome. I already seasoned it up, and it's been sitting in the season for a few days. If you guys are interested in, that's an outdoor edge. Actually has two blades on it. That's a gutting blade. Works awesome. I got this from Walmart. Walmart or Academy, I can't really remember. See how this goes. Get a good little fire going and get this old pan heated up. I think you could probably put some start a fire inside there, and then it has a bunch of breathing holes. What I'm going to try to do is I'm just going to try to set this part on top of the fire and then set that up there, and we'll go with that. It's going to be awesome. As long as they don't fall over on me. Got some olive oil with me. We'll fry that thing up pretty quick. There we go. We got her lit back up. Look at that. Let's go ahead and set one of these old back straps in there. Oh, we're in business. As long as I don't burn my handles. The little mess kit came with the little, whatchamacallit. Oh yeah. Short. Look at that. Heating right back up. Let's take a look at this backside. Oh yeah. Looks awesome. Let's set it down right here. Let's see here. Gabby. We'll go ahead and throw this other one on while we'll... Oh, about dropped it. Man, that is tender. Look at that. All right, let's try this back strap. That would have been awesome. Wow. Ben, I don't know if you cooked in this back strap yet, but if you haven't, you need to. It is awesome. It was great. You should have sent me like 10 pounds of it. Let's cut some more up. Let's give Gabby a try. Come, Gabby. Want some milk? Sit. Sit. Good girl. Easy. 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 Good girl. Good girl, Gabby. Is that good, Elk? You tell Ben thank you? You want more? You want more? You want more? Look at them teeth. Look at you. I'll give you one more piece. One little piece and I'm eating the rest. Come here, Gabby. Sit. Good girl. Easy. 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 Good girl, Gabby. Is that good? Is that good? Well, my fire started going out, so I got to get that stoked back up so I can cook that other piece of backstrap. Ben, thanks a lot. Go check out his video of him harvesting this elk. It was a monster, I'm telling you. This elk meat, first time I've ever had elk. Look at Gabby. Look at Gabby. She's trying to eat my steak. No, Gabby, quick, get down. Come over here, Gabby, come here. Like I said, this is the first time I've had elk steak, and it's awesome. This is better than deer. Better than deer. Better than any deer I've killed around here, and I love deer. Man, it's so tender, and it almost tastes like beef. No game flavor in it at all. It's awesome. I'm going elk hunting next year. Man, it's good. I hope Orange Family Homestead is ready to go kill us an elk. That is awesome. Man. Alright guys, I'm going to get off here. If you guys are interested in any of this outdoor cooking stuff I got, this little survival stove and little mess kit, I'll put links down below if you guys are interested in that stuff. If not, don't go click on them. Gabby. Gabby's my buddy. Yeah, we're going to have some Gabby videos coming out pretty soon. You like that meat, Gabby? Did you like it? Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.